Dear students, in today's topic, we are going to study third type of classified advertisement, and that is matrimonial classified advertisement. In this video, we shall learn why and how matrimonial advertisements are written. Students, this is written while looking for prospective marriage candidates. This is written while looking for prospective marriage candidate means this type of advertisement is written to find a prospective match or suitable match for marriage. Students, prospective means probable or we can say would be यानी संभावित या होने वाला. Content to be included. Content to be included. Begin with wanted alliance. Begin with wanted alliance or proposals are invited or proposals invited. Students, we should start this type of advertisement either with wanted alliance or with proposals are invited or proposals invited for, right? Next, we should state that the advertiser is a boy or girl, or the advertisement has been written on behalf of a boy or girl. Sometimes the candidate who is looking for the match does not write the advertisement, but somebody else writes on his behalf or on her behalf. For example, sometimes father writes an advertisement, sometimes young, younger brother or elder brother puts an advertisement, sometimes mother puts an advertisement. So that's why I said that the advertisement has been written on behalf of a boy or girl. This also a point to be shown, right? Then if the candidate is working person, we should mention the profession and workplace and income. Educational or personal qualification, educational or professional qualification, age, height, complexion, caste, religion, or proposal seeker. These all qualities are to be mentioned related to the proposal seeker. I must tell you in हिंदी कि इस टाइप के एडवर्टीजमेंट में जिसको मैच की रिक्वायरमेंट है, who is the seeker of suitable match, must show his own all these things: height, age, complexion, caste, religion, and quality sought in partner. यानी what quality does he want in his or her partner, right? And in the end, we must mention box number of the news agency in which advertisement is going to be published. स्टूडेंट्स लास्ट में हमें उस न्यूज एजेंसी का बॉक्स नंबर भी देना होता है, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर इसमें मेंशन करना होता है जिस न्यूज एजेंसी में हम अपना एडवर्टीजमेंट पब्लिश कराने जा रहे हैं. And always remember that in this type of advertisement we do not write the address and contact number of advertiser. कभी भी एडवर्टाइजर का नंबर या एडवर्टाइजर का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर या एड्रेस हम इस टाइप के एडवर्टीजमेंट में शो नहीं करेंगे. हमें कॉन्टैक्ट के नाम पर केवल और केवल न्यूज़ एजेंसी का पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर ही देना होता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. Write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for an Agrawal girl working as sales officer in a leading export house. Right? Let us go to the solution. Bridegroom wanted. Bridegroom wanted. I every time tell you about the title of classified advertisement that it must be in capital letters, because this is the part of format. This is the proper way of format, and format is for 1 mark, content is for 2 marks, and expression for 1 mark, right? So if we want to get this 1 mark, our title must be in capital letter. Let us see the answer. The very first line of advertisement reveals that the proposal seeker is an Agrawal girl. Her age is 25 years. Her height is 158 centimeter. She is a working woman. Her income is in 6 figures per annum, means she earns in lakhs in a year. Her parents are having business at Mumbai and overseas. Mumbai and overseas. Overseas means in other countries also. Boys merit main consideration. Boys merit main consideration. By this line, she wants to say what she requires, what quality does she require in her match. Professional with business background preferred. प्रेफरेंस यहाँ पर शोन है कि प्रोफेशनल हो और बैकग्राउंड यदि उसका बिजनेस हो तो उसको प्रेफर किया जाएगा. अर्ली एंड डिसेंट मैरिज मीन्स द गर्ल इज रेडी टू अर्ली एंड डिसेंट मैरिज. शीघ्र से शीघ्र शादी के लिए तैयार हैं और शादी बहुत ही डिसेंट करेंगे. राइट टू बॉक्स नंबर 7364, The Times of India, Mumbai 400001. Right, students? That much is the format and content, and you must go according to the same pattern. Let us see one more example. A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured, and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a local daily newspaper, something like that. Student, there is a word seeks, ALLIANCE. The correct pronunciation of this word is alliance. 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 Right? Don't read it alliance or alliange or alliange. No. Alliance. So a highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured, and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Write suitable advertisement for matrimonial column. Okay, everything is fine. It means a highly placed IT professional settled in London. If he seeks, he is in search of a girl, it means the advertiser is boy. Right? Advertiser is a boy and he needs a girl. Right? Bride wanted. In the last example, title was Bridegroom Wanted. Here the title is Bride Wanted and title is in capital letter. Format is in capital letter. Right. Alliance invited for a handsome, tall, and cultured IT professional boy. 29 years, 180 centimeter, 180 centimeter tall, NRI settled in London as CEO of a reputed firm, exceptionally beautiful. Exceptionally beautiful. Exceptionally means unusually good, or in other words we can say greater than usual. Greater than usual. तो एक्सेप्शनली ब्यूटीफुल यानी इतना सुंदर, इतनी सुंदर कि नॉर्मली लोग होते नहीं हैं, बहुत बेहद खूबसूरत. हाईली कल्चर्ड गर्ल. स्टूडेंट्स, कल्चर्ड, द वर्ड कल्चर्ड हैज different meanings, and cultured means so sanskrit and cultured means well educated, दोनों होते हैं. और गर्ल के लिए वी कैन यूज बोथ ऑफ द मीनिंग्स, हाईली एजुकेटेड गर्ल्स और हाईली कल्चर्ड गर्ल. हाईली कल्चर्ड गर्ल बिटवीन 21 एंड 25 मीन्स 21 ईयर से 25 ईयर तक हो सकती है. एंड एटलीस्ट 5 फीट 4 इंच. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे होंगे कि 5 के ऊपर एक ये मार्क लगा हुआ और 4 के ऊपर डबल मार्क लगा हुआ. तो सिंगल मार्क रिप्रेजेंट्स फॉर फीट एंड डबल मार्क रिप्रेजेंट फॉर इंच. तो 5 फीट 4 इंच टॉल प्रिफर्ड. कम से कम इतनी लंबी लड़की होनी चाहिए. ओनली स्टेटस पंजाबी फैमिलीज, केवल पंजाबी फैमिलीज से होनी चाहिए. बॉक्स नंबर दिस, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू दिल्ली. Right, students? I hope there should be no problem for you. Everything is lucid, everything is clear. Now, there is a question for practice, and question for practice is also very interesting. You will enjoy writing the answer. Write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of a newspaper for your brother and sister. Means you will have to write 2 advertisement. You will have to write the answers for 2 advertisements. One for the marriage of your brother, in which you will write the title Bride Wanted, and second the advertisement for your sister's marriage, in which you will have to put the title Bridegroom Wanted. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, दोनों एडवर्टीजमेंट अलग अलग लिखने हैं. दोनों का कंटेंट है थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट कर दीजिएगा, एक जैसा कंटेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट मी ऑन माई पर्सनल नंबर. Thank you. All the best for your board examinations.